Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Z Global Vision Services. Today we will discuss a vital aspect of mental well-being, how food choices can significantly impact our mood and mental health. We all know that what we eat affects our physical health, but did you know that it can also influence our emotional well-being? In this video, we'll explore 7 ways to fight depression and anxiety through the power of food. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and chia seeds have been linked to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression. These healthy fats play a crucial role in supporting brain function. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, legumes, and fruits can boost serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, and a balanced diet with complex carbs can help stabilize mood swings. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in folate, a B vitamin that helps produce mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Including these greens in your diet can promote a positive outlook. The gut-brain connection is significant, and consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can positively impact mood and reduce anxiety. Antioxidants found in berries, nuts, and dark chocolate can combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. Excessive sugar and processed foods can lead to inflammation in the body, negatively affecting mental health. Reducing their consumption can lead to improved mood and better overall well-being. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and irritability, exacerbating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Staying hydrated with water is essential for a balanced mood. Remember, food is not a substitute for professional treatment, but it can significantly influence our mental well-being. By incorporating these 7 food-related strategies into your diet, you can support your mental health journey and complement other coping mechanisms. As always, please consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. And also don't forget to leave any comments in the comment section below. So take care of yourselves and each other, and see you in the next video.